Hi, this is Angela with Threadwaggle Quilting, and today I want to talk to you about how to take a picture of something and then be able to do something like load it up onto the Quilt Path Facebook group or send it into support if you need help. So one way that you can take a picture is just to take your cell phone out and take a picture of your surface. And obviously that would work. You can then just send it directly to service off of your cell phone. But sometimes you want to take a picture and draw on it too, which you can do on your cell phone, but it can be a little bit easier on the surface itself. So right now I have a setup of a quilt in here, and I'm going to say that I want to post it on the Quilt Path user group. So what I'm going to do is come down here at the bottom of the screen where it says, in my case it says type here to search. It may actually say Ask Cortana on yours, but if you type in there, a keyboard will pop up. I'm on my laptop, so it's not going to pop up a keyboard for me, but I have a keyboard attached. So I'm going to start typing in the word snip. And you're going to see as I start typing into the bottom, it's going to bring Snip and Sketch up on the top. This window will come up after you tap on Snip and Sketch, and it is how you're going to actually take a shot of your screen. So I'm going to go up here and tap on the word new, and then I'm going to just drag my finger across what I want to be included in my shot. And it's going to put it into the Snip and Sketch app. I can then do things like say, I want someone to know what size my quilt is, so I can go up and grab the highlighter button at the top and then just color in the area that I want them to see. I could also circle it if I wanted to instead of highlighting it. I could use the pencil, I could write on it, which would be much easier to do if I was using a stylus or my finger and not my mouse. But it lets you draw on the screen so that we can see what's going on if you have questions. So like I said, a couple ways that you can get a picture onto the system or onto Facebook or to service so that we can help you. One of which is simply to take the picture with your cell phone and email it to us. If you feel like you need to give us more data or you don't have your cell phone handy, you can definitely use Snip and Sketch and take a picture and then draw on the picture as well. To save what you have created, you're going to go to the little floppy disk icon at the top right hand corner of the screen. If I tap on that, you're going to see that it's going to bring up typically your documents folder, and I will usually change it to pictures just so that they're all in the same place. You name your screenshot so you know what it is and hit save, and then it's as easy as copying that file, onto a flash drive if you're on your Surface so that you can then take it to a computer and email it to us or post it on Facebook so that we can read it. Or if you're on your regular computer, you're saving it just so you can attach it to an email. I hope you like the videos that we're doing. Please comment in the videos so that we know that, and please like us on Facebook. We are APQS Rally on Facebook, Threadwaggle on Instagram, and we're looking forward to showing you more videos soon.